my name is Shine and I'm a physical therapist. Now you've reached in week 4 to 6 postpartum. Your body is healing and it's time to rebuild strength and stability. So let's dive into the exercises. Before we start with the exercises, continue the previous exercises mentioned 0 to 2 and 2 to 4 weeks postpartum. If you have not seen those videos, I'll put down the link in the description below. Now let's start with the exercises. The first one is glute bridges. For this one, you're going to lie down on your back and you're going to bend your knees. Your feet is going to be shoulder width apart. Now you're going to press your heel down and lift your hips up. Lift it up, squeeze your glutes and tuck in your stomach. Hold for at least 5 seconds. Breathe naturally and relax. Go for at least 10 reps. If you're comfortable doing 10 reps, then you can go for 2 sets. But if you think it's hard, then you can do this exercise twice a day, 10 reps in the morning and 10 in the evening. And relax. The second exercise is clamshell. For this one, you're going to lie down on your side. You can keep your one hand under your head and bend your both knees. You can place one arm on your waist and your feet should touch. Now from here, open your knees. Make sure you're not twisting your upper body. It's just your hip movement and your leg movement. Hold for 5 seconds and relax. Breathe naturally. We're working on the abductors as well as the glutes. If you're comfortable doing 10 reps, you can do it for 2 sets. Otherwise, as I mentioned before, do it twice a day, 10 reps in the morning and 10 reps in the evening. And relax. Lie down on the opposite side, place your one palm on your waist and touch your feet. Now from here, open your knees and bring it back. Breathe naturally. Make sure you don't twist your upper body. Just keep your upper body straight. And relax. The third exercise is bird dog. For this one, get in all 4. Your arm should be right under your shoulder and your knee should be right under your hips. Now extend your opposite arm and leg. Hold for 1 second and bring it back. Switch other side. Breathe naturally. Start with 5 reps. If you're able to balance and you don't feel any pain or discomfort, then go for 10 reps. Focus on your breaths and relax. The last exercise is wall squat. So you're going to stand against the wall and your back and hips should touch the wall and your leg should be slightly in front. Now you're going to squat. Make sure your hip is touching the wall. Slide your body down and your knees and hips should be 90-degree angle. Now hold this position for at least 15 to 20 seconds. Breathe naturally. Now we are working on our lower body strength. And relax. Go for at least 3 reps. You can take some rest, drink some water in between and then start again. You're working on a quads and relax. You can end your workout with a short walk for 10 to 15 minutes and I hope you feel better with these exercises and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.